Dear friends, welcome to the video series on e-invoicing. I am Ravikiran Idara, Vice President, GST Network. In this video, I will walk you through the detailed flow involved in the e-invoicing process. Let's get started. In the e-invoicing, the supplier should have the utility to prepare invoice in JSON format. The utility can be the offline utility given by the government or the taxpayer's own ERP or accounting or billing solution. Now the supplier uploads invoice particulars to IRP as per the INV01 schema. Through APIs, the invoice data reaches the invoice registration portal IRP. The IRP performs prescribed validations on the invoice data. It generates the invoice reference number, that is IRN, based on supplier's GSTIN, document type, document date, and financial year. Then sends the invoice payload to the GST system. Through APIs, the invoice data reaches GST system. The GST system saves the invoice data and it rules out the existence of same IRN in GST system, which we call as deduplication check, and confirms the same to IRP. Then IRP adds a QR code, quick response code, to the invoice, which contains the key particulars of the invoice, including IRN, adds digital signature to the invoice. It further pushes the data to e-way bill system wherever the taxpayer has asked for an e-way bill. Now the supplier receives signed JSON with IRN and e-way bill wherever it is sought. The supplier issues invoice to buyer by indicating the QR code on the invoice copy. The central registry of GST system also performs two more functions. It saves the entire invoice data in GST system, and it also auto-populates invoice details into GSTR1 of the supplier and 2A of the respective buyers, so that the seller's GSTR1 gets updated and the buyers can view invoice details in their respective GSTR2A. With the QR code available on the e-invoice copy, the buyer can verify the authenticity of the e-invoice using a mobile QR code reader. This completes the e-invoicing process. For more information and help on e-invoicing, you can visit the invoice registration portal einvoice1.gst.gov.in. You can also visit GST Network's website gstn.org.in, and for any help on the portal or regarding the API or testing issues, you can write to these email IDs. For any other queries or suggestions on e-invoice, you please write at e-invoice@gstn.org.in. Please do check other videos on e-invoice video series. Thanks for watching this video.